Right now, we're just kind of picking up what we can.
About Juliet family trying to save what they can for a second time now after their home is damaged by this past weekend's tornadoes. So this hit comes just months after their home was damaged by the 2020 tornado. News 4's Alexandria Adams is live in Mount Juliet this morning. So Alexandria, you hear this? It is so hard to imagine they're dealing with this yet again.
Yeah, Holly, that's exactly what this family is saying. Not again. Check out some of the damage that they are dealing with right now. More than $30,000 worth of damage was done this time. The side of their home ripped off by those strong tornado winds. The Bondi family had just completed fixing up their home that was damaged by straight line winds back in the 2020 storms. City Commissioner Scott Hefner's home was also damaged back in 2020. At the time, the city passed legislation to waive city building permitting fees to those impacted. Hefner says that's something he's going to push again.
By waiving the permitting fees, which could be anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 depending on the home, that $1,000 or that $500 may mean the difference of getting a door replaced or an air conditioner replaced. You just don't know.
If I can feel like we're safe in the house again, then that's more important than anything else.
So Bondi says that he is trying to keep a positive outlook. There is some good news on the way. They are expecting their third baby.